Mi ò gbọ́wọ́ mi ò dúró sí kọ́nà bí kankan gbọ́wọ́ abiyamọ ayé ẹgbàá mi o kọ́ jẹ́ ká sódò ọdún police station kọ́ jẹ́ ká lọ bèrè òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ èmi kọ́ ni mo gbọ́wọ́ mi ò gbọ́wọ́ abiyamọ ayé gbà mí abiyamọ ọ̀run gbà mí o.
Wọ́n náà gbọ́mọ níta tó ẹgbẹ́ lóòótọ́ náà wọ́n lè pọ̀ mọ́ wọn ṣe pọ́nlẹ̀ kò kọ́ sẹ́ pé kí ló ṣe ọmọ tó ń sunkún níta wọn lọ́wọ́ wọn sunkún níta ó wá dijọ́ kejì tíjà ṣẹ̀ wá ṣẹlẹ̀ ọjọ́ wọn wá arrest ó dijọ́ kejì tíjà wá mú wọn.
ọ̀gá wọn ọjọ́ kidnap wà ní mo lọ já wọn lélẹ̀ mi mo gbọ́ngàn pa ẹ́.
Rising cases of criminalities and other social vices have become commonplace in Nigeria. People no longer sleep with their two eyes closed for fear of what may happen next. Even while on a journey, one is not sure of safety until the destination is reached. This resulted in the recent apprehension of 14 suspects, including a woman. The suspects were paraded by the Ekiti State Police Command in Ado-Ekiti. The Ekiti State Public Relations Officer, Sunday Abutu, said their alleged crimes include burglary, stealing, armed robbery, conspiracy, arson, murder, kidnapping, rape, and defilement of a 3-year-old girl by an 18-year-old boy. Abutu disclosed that a twist was added to the defilement episode when further investigation revealed that when the grandmother of the victim learned of the incident, she demanded 50,000 naira from the parents of the suspect for the matter to be settled.
The suspect lured the victim into his room on the 6th of August 2021 at about 15:50 hours, where he had carnal knowledge of her.
The police image maker also spoke on another case of rape.
Here is a case of rape. On the 24th of September 2021 at about 18:45 hours, the victim was trekking along Federal Housing Road, Ado-Ekiti, when she was suddenly accosted by the suspect, one Ayodeji Ojo, who held her hostage. The suspect had observed that there was no one close that could come to the rescue of the victim. As a result, which he tore her jean skirt and pants and forcefully had carnal knowledge of her.
He also remarked that the quick intervention of the Command's Rapid Response Squad operatives led to the arrest of some kidnappers at Isha-Ekiti in September.
On the 19th of September 2021 at about 18:10 hours, two victims were abducted on the road along Ayebode Odo, Ayede-Ekiti by a gang of kidnappers. The victims were there for weeks into the bush, where the kidnappers started demanding for ransom. Upon the receipt of the information, a team of the Rapid Response Squad operatives swung into action for the possible rescue of the victims and the arrest of the perpetrators. Intensified effort led to the arrest of one of the suspects, called Usman Ibrahim Hassan. 3 handsets belonging to the victims were recovered from him.
On cultism, he remarked that 2 rivalry cult groups clashed at Ikere-Ekiti, during which 6 suspected members of both groups lost their lives.
There occurred a clash between the proscribed Supreme Aye Confraternity and the Black Axe Aye Confraternity in Ikere, during the course which 6 suspected members of both rival sacred cults were killed by the aggrieved members. After the incident, the Rapid Response Squad swung into action and during investigation arrested one Alade Sami Sende, of course is 41-year-old. Then we have another Alade Sami Tumbosun, is 31-year-old. And the third person arrested in connection with the crime is Ajayi Oluwaseun, and is also 31-year-old, who confessed to the commission of the crime alongside other suspects who are currently at large.
The Command's Public Relations Officer said the cooperation of other security agencies in the state contributed to all the arrests. He assured members of the public of the safety of their lives and properties. It is expected that the law will run its course promptly as they remain in the custody of the police. Justice delayed is justice denied.
People of the Fountain.